Lil Yachty Endless. Let's go. Who's heard this already? Bro, there's too much going on. Like, first I'm stuck in this illusion. Second, this nigga got this angelic ass beat in my ear, just like it's too much going on, bro. It's fucking with my hair right now. This nigga might be dropping soon. He doing feature shit. Now he is definitely. Bro, this be angelic as fuck, bro. What the fuck is this nigga? What the fuck is this nigga doing? Bro, okay. Recreate outfit then. I'm not like, this shit fire. Nigga say he built like that, improve it. What's good, Jitterbug? Sup, Jew? Wait, no, I'm not a Jew, sure. My thighs too big. Yo, this beat hard as fuck. Yeah, what's good, Ian? See, I'm not lying. This is way better than that other song I just heard. I'm gonna give it a buck. This shit is way better than that other song I just heard. This shit is nice as fuck. Why are y'all spamming 6-7? Did we stop? I can't eat shit cool, but I'm vicious, not superstitious. Cut out like the skin and itches, service endless. Spend more on my mouth than you do at your house, go check on my dentist. They don't like me, fuck them, pull up and bust them, this shit endless. I fuck with this beat more than anything. I'm not lying, I don't know something about this angelic ass beat. It's me. Good songs though, good songs though. No expo date, this shit forever, this shit endless. Good songs, good visuals too. That was a different type of music vid. Good vids, good songs. Yo, Yachty, I fuck with that shit. How y'all like that?